bird opens its mouth, it doesn't sound like a bird at all. It sounds like a lion. If you heard it without seeing the bird, you'd swear something big was nearby. Then there's the screaming piha. This one is pure chaos. Its call is so sharp and intense, it sounds exactly like a police siren echoing through the jungle. And then there's the lyrebird, easily the most unsettling of them all. This bird doesn't just copy other birds, it can perfectly imitate almost any sound it hears. Car alarms, chainsaws, camera shutters, human voices. In one clip, a baby was crying nearby, and the lyrebird picked it up instantly. Not similar, not close, exact. It can copy many other sounds too.